Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a Hoover washing machine. It's a Vision HD 1200 spin 8 kg VHD822. I've never seen one of these before. Looks alright to me, except that the drum is seized. If I could try and wiggle it, it just won't move. Just can't say the words. It just won't budge at all. It's got some liquid in it, so I have a feeling it could be an issue with the filter, but it's probably broken because of the drum. So screwdriver pops that down. Give that a wiggle to try and get it out a bit. Doesn't want to come down. Better put my toe on it. Try and open this up. Sometimes there's a hose in there, not on this one. A bit dusty. It's been out in the rain, I think. There, we're getting some pink coloured sauce draining off. Once we've got this out, it should just jump forward. Maybe not. No, it's kind of stuck. Don't know why this thing doesn't want to come down. It's kind of weird liquid, that. It's definitely unscrewed. So this is going to be interesting. There's something blocked. There we go. Oh no, even worse. So the front's come off it, and now the thing inside is stuck. Better get a pliers. So this doesn't happen very often, but when it does, I guess it makes the video a bit more interesting. Get a pliers on, just haul it out now. Oh, I see what's going on here. Do you see that stuff there? It looks like grey sand. That is a spider. There's money in here. There's money in here as well. It's been like this for a while. It's been going downhill for a while. Right, money. What is here? Pretty grim in there. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's had a hard life there. It's full of this kind of weird, looks, you could call it calcium, but it's not. It's the salt that happens when you mix the spider and starts to corrode. So it's all black and yuck and full of bits. That looks like some kind of copper or something there. I don't know what that is, but we've got a €2 cent, I think. 5 pence English and a 20 pence piece. So we're up, we're in the money. If this was worth fixing, I would snap this thing back together. I should be able to do it like this now. My hands are dirty. Got a cloth on top to sort that out. Right. This has kind of claws on it. It should snap on here. Like that. This, oh God. Give that a wipe out. You could do a much better job if you were going to fix this machine, but let's just wipe it out anyways. Get rid of this. This looks like gravel, basically. Yeah, if this was my machine, I would clean that a lot better. So this should be possible now to push into position. Unless there's something more blocking it in there. Huh? Nothing really. It's being recalcitrant, I believe is the right word. It should go in though. There we go. That's it. Screw it up. That's it. This thing will surely snap shut. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.